So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, Pediatric Dentist and Professor in College of Dental Sciences. So dear aspirants, the unpredictable news regarding NEET MDS 2024. It has been announced and they have told the date is 18th March 2024. And remember, those students who are completing their internship till 31st March 2024 only allowed to go for the examination. So the date which was 9th Feb is now changed to 18 March 2024. So students now exactly 2 months for the preparation. So please start your preparation properly. And remember, whatever you want to follow the news, try to go for the authentic website as netbot.edu.in or nbe.nic.in. Okay dear friends, and remember for NEET MDS, the students are preparing. We have a full-blown test series for them, and we have also the lecture as well as test series. Remember, our test series have been designed in such a way that student can access them at any time, anywhere. We have a micro lecture, so on our app, whenever you are free, you can log in and you can view all your lectures, and completely you can go for the self-preparation, as well as you will be in direct contact with me for your preparation as well as for your preparation strategy. Okay dear friends, so all the very best to all my dear students. So now you have to get up and again make your preparation and planning properly. Okay, so all the best my dear students. Any doubt, anybody have, my phone number, my email ID, everything is there in description box. You can contact me. So remember, the date for the examination is 18th March 2024.